And we're off. This is it. Woo! Hey, evening, and the sea is still crap.
Hi, Thursday.
I'm not wearing any trousers. Why is this so loud? 20 to 25 days at sea, let's go. That's a great tour. Cracking stuff. And we're off. This is it. Woo! We're going to tidy the boat and then we'll give you a rundown on what's going on. So, we're off. It's January the 15th on a Monday. We're leaving Mindelo and we're heading for Tobago. It's 2,100 nautical miles roughly. It's going to take us a while, but we're fully stocked up on water, fully stocked up on food, even though most of it is just root vegetables. They're good for you, make you big and strong. Just cruising. Yeah, Cape Verde's been quite difficult to get the things that we need. It's lots of
fresh food.
Yeah, lots of going between shops.
Really nice. Everyone says, "Oh, there's a real nice fresh market." You go to said fresh market and everything's going mouldy.
Not the most fresh.
Not fresh. It's a market, not fresh. Mouldy market, I should call it.
We're gonna head on a bearing of like 2:30 out of Cape Verde. Head a little bit further south. We know that over the next sort of week there's some weather coming in. It's going to pick up to like gusts of 35, which we're prepared for, where it's coming. We think we're going to start the trip by shitting ourselves and then hopefully it will be smooth sailing after that, touch wood.
Hey, this is B-roll, Will. Oh my god, who's got
That's what your head looks like. That lovely boat over there, wow, lovely. This boat here, maybe here, it's a tiny little speck. Those are some of our hitchhiking friends on the boat, Bossa Nova. I want to call it Boa Vista, but that's an island. Bossa Nova. They're going to make the passage in 9 days.
So, it's flag falling apart, it's horrible.
I wouldn't go on it. But good luck to them. We'll see them on the other side, I'm sure. Martinique. Miss you, Luca.
Miss you, Luca. Love you.
Oh my God.
Morning. It's very wobbly out here.
It's Wednesday the 17th at 11:20. We didn't film anything yesterday. We're nearly 48 hours into the journey. But the whole time has just been really rocky and horrible. So it hasn't been very fun for the last 24 hours, the first 24 hours. We're now going dead west.
We were heading at like 240, going with the swell, and now yeah, we're going pretty much dead west and everything's side on, which is great.
Yeah, it's just very rolly. Anyway,
My hair fell off.
I'm going to show you at 12. I'll show you our logs. So as well as doing a logbook, we're also doing a paper chart log. I don't know if you can see it very well, and that's sun. But there's little X's. There's where we left in Mindelo. And there's an X from yesterday's midpoint, and then I'm about to do another X somewhere over here. But yeah, so we're going to do that every midday, every day. And then by the end of it, we'll have a nice little line of X's along the chart. All the way to Tobago.
It's day 3, it's very wobbly. I've just made David a sandwich, and halfway through making it, it slid off the table, so I punched it and got peanut butter everywhere. Now I've just gone to get the bread out, and I've taken the whole fucking door off.
Your sandwich was lovely.
Well, thank you, mate. I'm having an
was a
absolute
great
mare of the
sandwich.
day. I think I'm gonna lay down.
It's still Wednesday. We're now into our third day. It's 7:20 in the evening. David's having a mare.
I was trying to fix the door. Show him the door.
Door bloody fell off, as Ben showed you.
So I was trying to fix the door, and then the workshop decided that it wanted to do a backflip. All the glue went everywhere, so now the floor's sticky. And then I went outside to calm down because it was pretty stressful. And I was just outside, and then the whole sea decided to land on my head.
I was lying in bed there and I could just watch Ben and David get absolutely caked by a massive wave, hit the side of the boat, and it absolutely soaked them. It was funny. Poor David's been through the wars.
So now
There's
I'm
glue
eating,
everywhere.
now I'm eating all my chocolate.
He's eating chocolate. They've got no door, there's glue all over the floor. David got soaked.
I'm also covered in glue.
But in the good turn of events, the sea state is more big swell rather than chop. Still very small periods, so it's just big wave after another. But hopefully this means it's going to get nicer. We are expecting it to get a lot windier tomorrow. When we looked at the wind forecast before we left Mindelo, it said Thursday to Sunday looks heavier weather. I did a weather forecast on the old Garmin. I requested a weather forecast and it gave us today and yet tomorrow. And it looks like it's going to be about 20 knots, probably gusting a lot higher. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Morning. It's Thursday, the 18th. We've had a shit night. After I said that the swell was calming down, it's not. It just the whole night has been smacking us on the side. Well, it's smacking us everywhere. We're getting waves over the boat, left, right, and centre. So if you're steering the boat, you're getting soaked, and if you're trying to sleep, you just can't sleep because it's just smacking the whole night.
2 weeks left.
Only like 2 weeks left, boys. What a flipping nightmare. The sea has just not calmed down. I don't know if you can tell.
It's just choppy.
It's just... Anyway, we've done like 335 miles. So 880 to go or something like that. Sweet.
From anywhere but here.
It's Thursday evening and the sea is still crap.
Hi, Thursday.
I'm not wearing any trousers.
I'm
I'm soaking wet after my shift.
Ben's just sat out here for 3 hours and got wet.
It's
Now it's
horrible.
my turn. It's just, everyone said to us, the Atlantic will be dead easy. It'll just be following seas, following wind. Currently, we're getting smacked on the side. Well, smacked on every side by the waves. Broad reaching it. We're into our 4th day now of just rolling around, rail to rail. Just rolling.
In other news, the banana tree's working.
I mean, we exported all Virgin Caribbean people.
The banana tree has started producing bananas. So it's a good day.
Oh, holla. Hi, Ben, I'm Dad.
That's not quite a joke. Anyway, it's shit out here. We've changed the sails to wing on wing again. It's made it a bit nicer because now the boat isn't so much pulling you to windward. It's a bit more balanced. Obviously the sea state is still grim, so we're still rocking around, but it seems to be a bit nicer, touch wood, now that it's wing on wing. Yeah.
Oh, it's very dark. It's the end of maybe the 6th or 7th or 8th day. I think maybe the 4th. The 3rd day. You're joking.
We're just starting our 4th.
We're going into the 4th day. It's the night of the 3rd day, and we're cracking out the cups of tea and the cups of biscuits.
At 3:30 was the 4th day. That ended then.
We've done like 400 miles.
Yeah, boy.
Flying along. Hopefully by the end of tomorrow we'd have done a quarter of the trip.
That'll be cool.
There he is, eating his bickies.
Here's some biscuits, bro.
Proper English, that.
About midnight tomorrow, I'm guesstimating we'll hit 526 to 25 miles, and that'll be halfway.
Quarter. Hi, Ben, I'm Dad.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Why the Fuck Are We Doing This? It's
We don't know!
It's midday, again. At some point in the next hour and a half, maybe, we're going to hit 500 nautical miles, which means we're a quarter of the way. How
Nearly.
exciting. We're nearly a quarter of the way, yeah. It's 2,100 miles. Oh! It's remained wobbly and windy for the last whole night. Not many sleeps for the crew. David's lost his mind. I'm going to take over from him now and see how wobbly I can make the boat.
I'm the sign language interpreter for the boat.
We're on Friday the 19th, half an hour away from being 4 full days at sea. The sea's the exact same as it has been for the last 4 days. It's not stopping. It's rolly. I got a little basic full weather forecast through the Garmin thing. Next 2 days are 20-25 knots worth of wind. So I think it's going to be the same for like at least a few more days, probably Tuesday, going off the old models that we saw a week ago. So that's fun.
It'll be, this week will be shit, then it'll be rum drinks and sunshine and...
The next week's going to be lush. It's going to be amazing. But this week, so far it's been 4 days straight, relentless of rolling seas, shaking our boat around and high winds.
So our house is right on the piss and has been for a few days now. So Wilf can't be asked to stand up and cook. So he's peeling spuds in bed.
It's not even the case, can't be asked. If I stood up and tried to peel, I would break my arm. So I'm just in bed, peeling potatoes.
It has been significantly calmer today.
It's been nearly 6 days straight of wobbling.
So, what's happened while I've been laying here is...
Oh, we need the fucking lid.
Wilf's still going with the root vegetables in bed, he's working from home
Now
today.
doing carrots from bed.
He's now onto the carrots. How are they going?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's called unconventional cutting.
It's grand. They're all real funny shapes.
Yeah.
And then he's also employed a new
I've got a sous
member
chef.
of the team. It's sous chef.
I can smell nothing but gas.
This is his KP David.
Well,
who's-
could you grab me the good lighter off the shelf, please?
He's in charge of the grill, but from bed. What day are we on?
6.
It's day 6. Not even a weekend. And we resorted to doing nothing but laying down because the house is too wobbly.
It's too wobbly. I'm giving up. So you can't do this step from the bed. So I've had to get up. I've now put it all in a wok. Just letting it cook down now. Look at this gimbal. James Handley made us this gimbal. Works a treat. Look at that. Fills the brim of stew. Doesn't fall out, even though it's chaos outside. Shout out James Handley. What a man.
David's making cups of teas this morning. Can I stay still? I'd love to. Nothing's really changed. Still wobbly. Now we've got rain, as you can see by this little system that's just passed through. Wilf, David and Stringer all had rain on their shifts last night.
We're a third of the way.
Oh, we're a third of the way. That's exciting. Also, we've got a new max speed on Navionics, which is 78 knots, I think. You know, putting in a shift, we'll be there in no time.